guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a get ready with me hair and makeup edition featuring this beautiful unit from RPGHair. So they were kind enough to send me out their Indian tight curly 360 lace front wig, and I do have it in 18 inches. The knots on this wig did come pre-bleached already, so that was perfect. That was one less step that I had to do. And the hairline also did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it a little bit more because I like my hairlines to look a certain way, but I didn't have to pluck out that much hair because it was already thinned out. I'm just showing you guys how I apply my wig. I'm using my Got To Be glue and my freeze spray. You guys have seen me do this in pretty much all of my videos, so I'm not going to talk to this part. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy these few clips, and I'll see you when it's time to do the makeup. We could've been, no, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know really is. You dream about, I think about what we could've been, we could've been, we could've been, no, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know really is. You dream about, I think about what we could've been, we could've. Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm up, I'm innocent, thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you and you wrong. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend, now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. And more than again, 'cause I know really is. Dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could. What we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if you gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, or what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story and nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't let me feel nice. Why should it end? Baby, I could have been, I could have been him, one of your friends. Just when make a trip, make a wish, be the one I'm with. Should have been it, should, could have, would have been. Yeah, would have been. Yeah, would have been. So now it's time for the makeup, and I decided to do something very easy and neutral. So I went for my ABH Soft Glam palette, which is one of my favorites because I just love all the colors in this palette so much, and they just blend so easily. So that's the palette that I use on my eyes. I probably just use about maybe 2 or 3 shades from this palette. Like I said, I wanted to do something very neutral and easy. I feel like this whole makeup look took me about 20 minutes to do, so it's very easy, very simple. If you guys have any questions on the products, they will all be listed down in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. Astro. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey. Like a light, hey. Like a light, hey. Slept through the flight, hey. Not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah. Pay the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Baggage in my eyes, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm Book, wet like on Lizzie. I be spinning poly circle blocks till I'm busy. Like where is it? No one seen her. I'm tryna, yeah. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. 13 hours till I land. I be out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, the pastor Dawson Shelby sending texts, we sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on lock. I say you know this shit is light. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. It's lit. La Ferrari, Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road. They jumping off no parachute. Yeah, shorty in the back. She say she working on the glutes, yeah. By the book, yeah. This how it look, yeah. Got a check, yeah. Just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
So moving back to my hair, I'm going in with my GRWM wax stick and I'm applying this all over the top of my hair. I'm using this because I'm about to go in with my hot comb to make my wig nice and flat, and the GRWM wax stick just helps to like mold away any of those annoying flyaways, and it just makes the wig look more just like sleek and polished. And I also just started using this beeswax. I love to use this when I'm wearing like curly weave because it just gives the hair like a really nice smooth and shiny look to it. So I'm applying this all over the front of my wig as well, and I'm just brushing that in with a little toothbrush. And then I'm going to go in and start defining the curls on this wig. I'm just using a spray bottle with some water, and I'm going in with some mousse to put through the hair just to give the curls more definition. we've made it to the end of the video. I'm just touching up my lip gloss here, but this is the final look with the hair and makeup all together, and I really do love the way this look turned out. A big thank you to RPGHair for sending me this beautiful wig. All the information will be linked down below. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.